Hey guys, Ryan here with Make Money with Rhino. Today I'm going to be giving you an overview of Systemes.io and how to launch your own online business. I'm going to give you a walkthrough of the different features that are available with Systemes.io platform. So when you log into Systemes.io platform, first you're going to see the dashboard. And when you see there, you'll see new leads, sales, as well as live updates. Then if you look under the main dashboard, you'll be able to view affiliate dashboard as well. Now, if you're an affiliate marketer or promote other people's products, all of the details of the sales will be presented here. Systemes.io also has a marketplace. This is where you can list your own offers to be promoted by other affiliate marketers, as well as view any offers that are available to promote. It's actually pretty cool. Next tab you're going to have is contacts. This is where you can add and manage your contacts as well as create tags for your contacts. Now remember, in Systemes.io, we use tags to segment out our audience. After that, you're going to see the funnels tab. This is where you can build and manage your sales funnels. These are the pages you create for your businesses, including sales pages, order pages, upsell pages, you name it. It's all here. And there's loads and loads of templates for you to use. After that, we have the emails tab. In the emails tab, this is where you can manage any emails, including newsletters, as well as automatic campaigns that you can send your audience. There's also detailed statistics based on your email marketing that you can view here. Then we have blogs. Blogs is where you can create and manage your blog posts and content marketing. Then we have automations, where you have rules and workflows, is where you can create entire business marketing to make it so much easier for yourself. And then finally, we have the product and sales page. You have the physical products, if you are selling any physical products. You have coupons, where you can actually create coupon codes. You have orders to manage physical products and transactions, which track any payments that you have through like Stripe or PayPal. You have subscriptions. That's with Stripe or PayPal. You have affiliate marketing and invoices if you're invoicing. You have ability to create courses and bundles. Students is where you can manage anyone who has purchased your courses. And finally, the affiliate program is where you can manage and run your own affiliate program. This system is really easy to use. However, if you're struggling at any point, you can click the help button that is located up in the right-hand corner. And this will walk you through any help that you may need, which I think is phenomenal. And then if you still have questions, there's a question mark located at the bottom right-hand corner of the tab that you can actually speak directly to customer service with. So if you'd like more information or want to get started with Systemes.io, go ahead and check out the link in my description and get your free trial today.